Welcome to the customer review. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Amaran 150c, an amazing investment for your studio. Guys, this light is a game changer. What I've seen so far is that you always have the power that you need to capture any visual and an impressive brightness with or without the reflector. Controlling the light is really easy. The switch and the buttons in the back feels really high quality. The adjustable color temperature goes from a warm 2500 to a cool 7500. You can control the light via smartphone, and I'll show you that in a later video. Spoiler alert is really precise, even more with the hyper reflector. For content creation, we have the great video maker lights and the newer ring light, but the Amaran light, it's a huge upgrade. Like you saw in the unboxing, you will find the light itself, a power cable, the hyper reflector, and a user manual. And the package itself is like a small box that you can carry on wherever you want. This light is a beast, and for us, it's an absolutely buy it.